More antics today. Oh yeah. Look at that. See if we can get this running. It has not been run in 10 years. That's slack. Okay. Now, this literally hasn't been running 10 years. So we're going to see what happens. Because I want to sell it. Because it doesn't get used. That's all. Got a load of these things, used to ride and race them a lot, but stopped that. It's just a shame how it's sitting around. Let's mix up some true stroke. There's the wheel. Oil. (40:1) mix on this. Oops. Okay, it's near 32:1. Won't hurt it. So what this is a Go-ped GSR25 25cc motor, and it's extremely, compared to all the pit bikes that people ride, it's extremely civilised. It's been a while since I've messed with one of these. Prime it. Hope the fuel lines don't break. There we go, press it up. Okay. Choke on. And if this starts, I will be so surprised. Just thinking about it. I keep going to twist that. I'm used to the bikes. That's the throttle. I keep trying to twist it. Try with the hand. So the choke back on. Oh, nearly. Hey, hello. Centrifugal clutcher is trying to take off. That is live. Oh, so stand up. Let's have a try. think tyres are flat. Not bad for not being run for 10 years. Well, here she is. Air filter's been changed back to standard. The proper exhaust can's been put on. With the flexi that takes the exhaust into the frame, makes it real quiet. Chains cleaned, adjusted, brakes adjusted. I've taken my tow hitch off, had a tow hitch on for the trailer, and I found the spare parts. Let's take some photos and we'll put it up for sale. Got a bit of a ride on it. The tyres were flat when I first tried it, that's why it weren't moving. Pump them up as well. Two spare motors, one's never even been run. And I'm going to do a little bit of video so you can really see how quiet she is now. I have to adjust the mixture, not mixture, idle speed, because it was too low, cutting out. And she starts a treat. Now, so this is just so people can see how quiet it is. Cut off. Let's do it again. One-handed start. Oops. Come off the stand. Can't resist. Well, I've got the helmet cam on because the ride didn't work last time. Let's go. I think the chain might be a little tight actually. Oh. There's a trail of 2-stroke smoke around the garden. Oh. Alright, let's stop dicking around. I'll tell you what, if this doesn't sell, I don't really care. I'll keep it. Look at that, guys, you've got 3/4 tank of petrol. Oh yeah. Can I hold it? One-handed. Burnout. Oh, it's getting me.